Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this tutorials, I am going to show you about how to perform a shortest path algorithm using Python programming. So here I am using the module that is called as NetworkX module. Using the NetworkX module, I am going to perform this shortest path algorithm. Okay. So before getting into tutorials, you need to know about one thing. What is meant by graph? So graph is one of the non-linear data structure. Using the graph, we are going to perform this shortest path algorithm. Okay, so this concept is one of the important concept. When you are going to any interviews, they will ask this question. Okay, so please watch this video fully. So after that definition of graph, we need to know about what are types of graph. Okay, so first one is directed graph. So here all the edges are directed to one another edges. Okay, so we must know the direction of the graph. So that is called as directed graph, and undirected graph is all the edges are not directing to any other. That is the definition of undirected graph. Okay, so let's start the tutorials. First of all, we need to import the NetworkX module. Okay, so all must know how to import any modules. So here I am importing a NetworkX module. Okay, NetworkX as NetworkX NX. Okay, so I am shortly define NX. Okay, after that we are going to form a graph. So we declare a variable here. Okay, so this step explains that we are using this step to form a graph. Okay, after that, after forming the graph, we need to add the edges into the graph. Okay, G is equal to so this thing. Okay, so here it explains that G is the graph that we defined and add edge A comma B. Okay, so A is the one edge and B is another edge. Okay, the weight defines that the data present in that network. Okay, so there are two edges A and B, and in between the two edges that's the amount of data. Okay, that's called as weight. So weight of the graph is 4. Okay, sorry, weight of the edge is 4. After that we are going to form another edge, so only we are going to find the shortest path between that edges. Okay, so B comma D comma weight is equal to, so randomly give any random numbers. So okay, so these are the steps. Okay, these 4 steps indicate that we are adding the 4 edges. Okay, 4 different edges into our graph. Okay, so this is how our graph is look like. The picture is in the side. Okay, this graph looks like this. Okay, after adding the edges, we need to find a shortest path. So okay, so this line prints our shortest path. Okay, we are going to find that the shortest path between B and D. So look at the graph inside. Okay, we are going to find the shortest path between B and D. Okay, so let's click the run button. Okay, this is our shortest path. Okay, so let's change the direction. A comma D. Okay, so let's find. So A B D, this is our shortest path. Okay, so this is the thing I want to share with you, and thanks for watching and keep supporting me to get 2000 subscribers on YouTube. So just only 300 more. Okay, thanks for watching and thank you.